Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ertha token. Ticker symbol's Ertha, that's also the name of the token. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. It's sitting at around half a penny per token. Today it's up 38.94% today. It's actually in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps so you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Ertha token. So Ertha.io is the official webpage. It's spelled E-R-T-H-A. You can find their BSC scan on CoinMarketCap along with the price chart, contract address, webpage. They have Medium articles, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, full white paper. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps. You would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the Ertha token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their BSC scan or webpage or white paper. You might have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. You can also get it on a few different central exchanges. You can get it off of KuCoin, Huobi Global, Hotcoin Global, or Bybit. I do have a referral code for Bybit in the description box down there if you're looking to get a referral code. And that's where you could find Ertha is on Bybit, B-Y-B-I-T. The other exchanges like KuCoin and Huobi, I believe you can't use in Ontario and certain places in the world. That's why I don't use those ones. Now, what is Ertha? Well, Ertha is Heroes of Might and Magic game type inspired economic social MMO game based on exploring and investigating the world, leveling up, choosing specializations, and increasing the strength of your character, company, and country. The game is designed to replicate a real-life environment, simulating the actions that people have to perform to earn a living. Ertha's globe consists of 360,000 hex land plots, and each can be owned as an NFT. Binance Smart Chain-based in-game currencies, Ertha token, and Ertha land NFTs. In Ertha, players are able to acquire virtual land plot NFTs called hexes or hex, through which there are many possible transactions that earn hex owners cash back in Ertha tokens. There's employment tax, sales tax, company fees, company revenue, warehouse fees, delivery fees, airfare fees. Now, it says, since the dawn of time, humankind has had to preserve itself on this planet. It had to fight different kinds of enemies, but the most dangerous of them all came to be humans themselves. So the wars for land, well-being, and power ravaged the planet for ages. Wars changed their faces, and humans fought for different kinds of reasons. Recently, for a brief moment, it seemed like peace and harmony had taken over the planetary routine. Politics at this point looked to have evolved to the level where humans do not have to resort to the extremes of killing each other, but the economical side of Homo sapiens' existence became the kind of war that no one had foreseen. Since journalism and the media are owned by corporations, all the information about disasters and wrongdoings instigated by them all over the planet is carefully managed and provided for the masses to consume as intended. Some of the real news broke out from time to time through the efforts of different types of groups of activists. Truth is leaked via dangerous endeavors of computer hackers for unveiling atrocious lies that corporations are feeding the consumers. They are treated with utter disrespect, portrayed as the enemies of humankind, and brought down using corrupt law enforcement institutions who allegedly have been obligated to protect the citizens, but did become a part of the enormous human control machine that no one has seen to this day. So the mortal story continues without interruption, and the suffering of the people is a never-ending tale of human civilization, yet fighting is not even close to the end. War needs a reason to exist, and humans are very good at providing it with justifications to continue. Planet Earth is becoming extremely overpopulated, and those finite resources our fragile universe marble has in store for us are becoming more and more scarce. This is where today's war found its reason to start and prevail indefinitely. So that is the backstory. Now it goes over an entire whole storyline and roles here as well on their white paper. It says there's 3 roles: businessman, scientist, and warrior. You can learn about all those. Countries, there's different countries. And so then also they have game mechanics section on here. So the game mechanics section's topics are energy mechanics, production mechanics, companies, jobs mechanics, and industry mechanics, market mechanics, international trade, transportation, fight mechanics, training, hacking, studying, missions, and fiscal policies and budget mechanics. So you can learn all about each one of those individually. Now there's tokenomics on here as well. So it says total supply of this token is, that is 2 billion tokens. 3.5% goes to seed, 8% strategic, 7% private, 2.5% community public round, 3% listings, 31% play to earn and staking, 10% team and advisors, 1% guilds, 27% ecosystem fund, 4% liquidity, 3% marketing. Token utility is on here as well. So it's a DAO design. So basically it enables voting rights when you hold the token. You can use it for in-game features and governance voting, project bounties and future development, a medium for buying and selling Ertha NFTs as a means to reward streamers and most active players, as a means to initially acquire a future strictly in-game form of currency that will not be sold or placed by players directly otherwise, and top-level in-game uses like purchasing real estate, player character upgrades, and cosmetics, etc. Now they do have a smart contract audit by Hacken that you could view. So yeah, whitepaper.ertha.io is where you could find most of the information. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about the Ertha token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.